One of the most beautiful destinations in New York is Niagara Falls. This iconic natural wonder is located on the border between the United States and Canada, in western New York. It's renowned for its breathtaking waterfalls, with millions of gallons of water cascading over the cliffs every minute. Visitors can experience the falls up close through boat tours like the Maid of the Mist, explore scenic viewpoints, and enjoy the surrounding parks and attractions. Niagara Falls is not just a sight to behold. It offers a unique blend of natural beauty, adventure, and history, making it a must-visit destination in New York. This iconic boat tour takes you right up to the base of the falls, offering an exhilarating and up-close experience of the thundering waters. Cave of the Winds, a series of wooden walkways that lead you to the base of Bridal Veil Falls. You'll get so close to the falls that you'll feel the mist and hear the roar of the water. Niagara Falls State Park, the oldest state park in the U.S., offering stunning views, walking trails, and picnic areas. Be sure to visit the observation tower for panoramic views of all three falls. Journey behind the falls, located on the Canadian side. This experience allows you to descend into tunnels behind Horseshoe Falls and stand on an observation deck just feet from the water. 5. Niagara Gorge Trail, a network of hiking trails that take you through the Niagara Gorge, offering scenic views of the river, rapids, and the surrounding landscape. Niagara Skywheel, a giant Ferris wheel on the Canadian side that provides breathtaking aerial views of the falls, especially stunning at night when the falls are illuminated. A suspended cable car ride over the Niagara Whirlpool, offering a unique perspective of this natural phenomenon. Old Fort Niagara, explore the nearby wine region on both the US and Canadian sides, known for its ice wine and picturesque vineyards. A lively entertainment district on the Canadian side with attractions like wax museums, arcades, and themed restaurants. Niagara-on-the-Lake, a charming town just a short drive from the falls, known for its historic buildings, boutique shops, and beautiful gardens. Illumination and fireworks at night, the falls are illuminated in a spectrum of colors.